To set up Do Not Disturb mode on Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter Do Not Disturb mode in notifications. Right here you should be able to find it. After that, we'll be able to turn it on and off. Also, you can change that window. If you don't want to see it each time you enable your Do Not Disturb mode, click on for how long and then select one of those options until I turn it off or for a specific time. Then there's a schedule. You'll be able to adjust schedule for Do Not Disturb mode, which will toggle on automatically. By default, you should see sleep and driving. You can add your own schedules right here and then name them, pick on whichever days they should work on, and adjust the time when it should also toggle. After that, when that schedule is enabled, that means your Do Not Disturb mode will toggle on automatically on that day and that time. Then there's things that are allowed when you're entering Do Not Disturb mode. We can go for calls and messages, and then we can select calls and messages allowed during Do Not Disturb mode only from selected contacts or everyone except the selected contacts. After that, you can click on the plus button, and depending on which option you've selected, you can choose which people will be able or won't be able to call you. You can also, if you selected first option, adjust which contact groups will be able to reach: all, contacts only, favorite contacts only, or none. You can also enable or disable repeated callers. If somebody tries to call you 2 times during a span of 15 minutes, if this option is enabled, then the second call will go through. Messages, you can also adjust them for a specific group. After that, we can go for app notification and also select all apps or all except those apps, and then click on the plus button to choose which apps will be able to interrupt you. Next thing is alarm and sounds, and you can also enable or disable alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, calendar events and reminders in Do Not Disturb mode. Lastly, we have hide notifications. You can hide full screen notifications when your screen is off, or if your screen is on, you can hide app icon badges, hide from apps from notifications panel, don't show pop-up notifications, and hide status bar icons. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.